What's up, guys? Welcome back to the garage shop again. Today we're working on my daily driver, my 01 Chevy Suburban, or some of you guys know it as the Bourbanator. We are doing a little bit of an install here. My friends over at Izzy Auto sent me some in-channel vent visors to install here on this 01 Suburban. It fits any 01 to 07 Suburban, Tahoe, crew cab trucks, Silverados, Yukons, Denali's, Sierra pickups, pretty much anything that has this style of door on it. Many GMT 800 platform trucks that has been featured on my channel here. I went ahead and installed the passenger side here, and they came out really nice. They are really decent quality. They're pretty inexpensive, and I mean, one thing that I don't like to spend a lot of money on are little accessories like this that can these little accessories that can make a big effect on your vehicle. I personally like them because I can leave my windows down a little bit in the summertime, let a little bit of a breeze in there, and let a lot of that hot air out of the vehicle. And if it starts to rain, it's awful hard for water to go up. So with visors like this, they help keep the water out of my seat and out of my interior. They are quite flexible, actually. I mean, they're really quite flexible. And you want that in a part like this because they're gonna be out in the elements, different temperatures, wind is gonna be a big factor on a vehicle, especially rolling down the road at upwards excess of 100 mile an hour possibly. They pretty much come with everything you need to install it. They come with the nice little clips to help hold pressure against your adhesive strip. I like to go a little extra and wipe down my jams with some isopropyl alcohol. It allows the adhesive to have something nice and clean to stick to. Let's face it, the newest vehicle that these are going to go on are an 07. And over them years, they can accumulate a lot of dirt and debris up in that channel. So I'm going to go ahead and throw you guys on a tripod, and we'll go ahead and get the windows rolled down on this and start putting them on. Here's the driver one, guys. It's a nice piece here. I still can't get over how flexible these are, really. Like a lot of the more expensive Rams are actually a little more rigid and kind of fragile. These, I feel like you could almost tie a knot and not have a problem with them. I'm going to go ahead and clean this channel out. Like I said, I just take a shop towel, put a little alcohol in there, and then I go up in here, start over here because it goes in there, and run it all the way back and around. Get that, as you guys can see, that's years of deteriorating rubber there you're taking off to help this here better. Let's go ahead and wipe it down. The access off there. Right. Then we go ahead and open the product. This little package, and get a nice look at it there. Go ahead and dispose of that wrapper. Nice looking product there. Got a nice tint to it. We'll go ahead and take the adhesive off this. There's on the fronts there are two pieces of adhesive, one long strip along the edge, and then one up towards the front of the visor. Comes off like that. Once again, dispose of your trash properly. One little piece right here. Go ahead and get that off. Sometimes these can be a little bit of a pain to get off there. Right, there we go. Get the edge. Bam, perfect. Look at that. Then, just want to try to slide it. I like to put the back in first. Doesn't really matter. It's kind of a personal preference. Just get it set up in there. Mine happens to have a piece of foam in the way, so we'll go ahead and put her in the front way first. Actually, how do you want to go in there? It wants to go back behind the mirror there, so I have to go ahead and pry it out. Put that up in there like that. That's just the one to set back behind the mirror there. Yep, right there like that. Perfect. Like set behind that mirror. Go ahead and get it nice tucked up in there. All right. Grab 2 of the little clippies that they provide, and you want the little indention right there. Little knobby, little point. You want that facing in towards the vehicle, and the flat side facing out towards the shade. It slides up in the channel. I'm gonna have to go rescue that one. Slides right up in there, like so. Provides pressure to that. And I'm just gonna grab another clip. And I'll rescue that when I move you guys to the back one. I like to put this one up in here, space them out. They like to pop out on you. So you like to get them in there really good. And then, yeah, there we go. Got her in there nice and good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. Don't mind my old saggy headliner and my annoying door ding. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the window up here. Perfect. Go ahead and shut the door, let you see what it looks like. All right. Now I like to leave the doors and the windows up for like 24 hours and not take it for a drive if possible, to let your adhesive bond to your window channel. So let's move on to the back. All right, guys, sorry about the glare from the light up there. But that's about the best way I can get you guys a shot. Then clean this out like I did on the front and the other side. Like I said, all that years of deteriorating rubber definitely adds up. You wipe your excess off. All right, like that. All right, we have it. It goes like this. Sharp point goes down, slides up in there like that. Go ahead, and on the back there's just one piece of adhesive strip. Go ahead and take that off. Once again, dispose of it properly. Then you go ahead, like slide the sharp curve in first. Slide it all up in there like that. That fits in there nice and snug like. Take your clippies, once again, point on the inside of the vehicle. And then push her up in there real nice. Push her up in there really good. Alright, like that. Alright, now I'll go ahead and roll the window up here. Don't mind my dirty door jamb there, or my window jamb. And it just pushed her up into place better. And there it is, installed. Alright guys, the installation is the same on the other side, just mirrored. As you guys can see there, they are installed on both sides. They look nice. I think I'm gonna really like these this summer when I'm able to get in the truck and go into work. Leave my windows. open a little bit and allow all the air in. Let all the heat out. Yeah, that'll be really nice. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little install. And I really like these in-channel window vents. So yeah, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.